Hi, this is Chris from Corporate Health and Safety, and I'm here today with a short video for you on how to safely wear non-medical fabric face coverings. Now, the first thing we need to do before donning our face covering, just like with any other kind of PPE, is ensure that our hands are thoroughly clean and sanitized, using soap and water preferably, but if that's not available, you can of course use a suitable hand sanitizing gel or liquid. So with that done, we go ahead and pick up the package that our mask comes in, and we remove it by holding on to the straps. Do not touch the outer or inner surface of the face covering itself. It may be contaminated or you may contaminate it. So that being said, hold it out in front of you, give it a stretch, and just check for any holes or tears that may render it ineffective. Make sure that it's not soiled or wet. If it is, then please do not wear it on this occasion. Wash it and use a different face covering. Now you'll notice that my straps have a knot tied in the end here, and I've done that just as a way of reducing the size on the face covering. So if you find that your face covering is a little loose, that's a good way to tighten it for you. So we go ahead and put it onto our face by holding the straps and looping them over our ears. Now you can adjust it if you need to, just by moving the straps up and down to raise or lower the face covering. And you need to make sure that it covers the entirety of your nose and mouth. Please at no point allow it to be worn under the nose like this, on the chin like this, dangling off your ear, or even, as I've seen some people do, resting on top of your head. I'm sure I don't have to tell you that none of these methods are effective. The purpose of the face covering is to entirely cover your breathing zone, which is your nose and mouth. So it must cover these areas at all times. Once you have the face covering on, please do not remove it within 2 meters of another individual. Doing so would break social distancing guidelines and negate the use of the face covering altogether. So, having said all of that, once we're ready to remove our face covering, we simply reverse the process. So once again, we clean and sanitize our hands before we touch anything. Then simply grab the straps and gently pull the face covering away from your face, again, not touching the covering itself. Now, if it is soiled or wet, it will of course need washing, but we would recommend washing them every day as a precaution anyway. You can use soap and water, or you can pop them in the washing machine preferably and then tumble dry them. That really is the most effective way to clean these face coverings. So once you've removed it, go ahead and grab your package and pop it away, again holding it by the straps, and then just seal that package up, ready for transport. So by following these simple steps, you can ensure that you are safely and effectively using a non-medical fabric face covering. Thank you for your attention. I hope you found this video informative, and as always, please stay safe out there.